Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for subscribing to this video. Today on Be a Ghanaian, we are going to learn how to prepare spicy millet drink, also known as Zomkom. Let's go for a quick break. We'll be right back. Welcome back. So to prepare this, I have my soaked millet. I soaked my millet overnight so that it is easier for me to blend. I have grains of Selim and Cloves. I have my dry chili, red pepper. I have my red peppercorn. I have my ginger. I have my sweetener. So to prepare our spicy millet drink, we'll first blend our spices separately from our millet. I'll put my ginger to the blender, red dry chili pepper, and my grains of Selim and cloves. I'll add water. Then you blend. Our spices is ready. So we are going ahead to strain it. We've strained our spices very well. So next is to blend our millets. We'll drain the water. And pour it into the blender. I'll add water. I'll add water to the millet in the blender. Cover it and blend. I'll go ahead to strain my blended millets. I'm stirring with spoon so that I can get it strained faster. I have strained my blended millet very well. Next is to mix our blended millet with our spices and sweetener. Okay, all right. So I'll fetch my spices into the millet. And I'll add my sweetener. And stir. You can add more sweetener and spices as you please. Our spicy millet drink is ready to serve. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Bismarck. Bismarck, thank you very much for passing through. Today on Be a Ghanaian, we prepared spicy millet drink and we are here to taste. Cheers.
Cheers.
How is it?
Wow. Very, very nice. Wow. This is really, really good. So, like, what are the ingredients?
Okay, so the main ingredients for this is millet.
Oh.
Okay, so I soaked the millet overnight. Yeah, and I added grains of Selim, and I added cloves.
Okay.
Plus dry pepper, dry chili pepper. Yeah, and ginger. I blended the millet separately,
Okay.
and I blended the spices all separately. Then after that, I mixed the two.
So, how long did it take making the?
It took 10 minutes maximum.
Just 10 minutes.
Just 10 minutes
Just to
maximum.
make this?
Yes, just to make this. I only soaked the millet overnight to be easier to blend. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, this is really, really good.
Thank you very much.
And this one, next time I'll be coming for the recipe.
Thank you very much. Okay.
So guys, as you can see, I'm enjoying this spicy millet drink a lot. It's really nice and blended well, like everything is perfect. So in order to see more of this, to see like the recipe, how they do everything, you have to subscribe on their channel. That's Be a Ghanaian.
Yeah.
In order to, you like see a lot of things happening.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, from Bismarck, you have to subscribe to our channel. My name is Derek Inkum. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel, comment, like, and share. Cheers.